So Adobe Firefly is a product of Adobe Creative Cloud. It's a generative machine learning model that is used in the field of design to create different kind of intuitive and AI generated images and so on. Okay, it's a standalone generative AI web application that's available at firefly.adobe.com. It offers new different ways to create, to ideate and produce things. Okay. So it uses prompts to bring about different kind of changes. And recently they've made a lot of input as regards how you generate a design within the Adobe Firefly. So let's start. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through step by step how to use Adobe Firefly, from signing up to how to use the basic features to generate different kind of designs. So to start with, let me go to the incognito mode. You have to sign up. So you can come to Google and you can just search for Adobe Firefly, okay, just like that, and you can hit enter, and this is the first one, free generative AI for creatives. So you can just click on it to open. Yes, you confirm your location. I'm in Nigeria over here, so you can see your imagination's new best friend. Okay, so use generative AI and simple text prompts to create the highest quality output, beautiful images, text effects, fresh color palettes, make all new content from reference images, and explore more possibilities more quickly. Okay, so there's so much things you could do with Adobe Firefly. So to sign up, you could just go ahead and click over here to sign in. Okay, if you don't have an account, if you have an account, you can just go ahead and put in your email address and password to sign in. Or if you don't have an account, you can come down here to sign up with your Google or Facebook or even with your Apple account. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click to sign up. So the signing process is very, very simple. So I'll just sign up and then we'll meet at the other side. All right, so here I am. I've logged into my own account, and for this tutorial, I'm going to focus on these three key features. The first one is text to image, and then we'll look at the generative fill, and then text effect. These are very, very good ways to learn about the Adobe Firefly. So let's start with the first one, which is text to image. You can just click on it and you can start by exploring a number of available already generated images that you can see. You can see them. You can get inspiration from what is available. You can see some fantastic images, and what you need to do is, as soon as you hover over any of them, you'll be able to see the prompt that they use in generating that. This is a cute 3D hamster, okay, at the circus dressed as a clown with balloon. Okay, so you can see all the details, all the prompts that was used. This cute dog, what did they use in generating it is a photo of a cute puppy wearing a white winter hat, okay, sweater and scarf. Okay, so you can just go ahead and customize it to your liking. So let's say we select this beautiful puppy, we can just click on it, and right now it gives you all the different variations of that same image. Okay, so you can see the prompt down here. Okay, photo of a cute puppy wearing a white winter hat, sweater and scarf. So you can edit it from here, or you can come over here and see some of the versions or some of the features that you can change from this. Right now you can see you can change the aspect ratio, okay, from 4:3 to portrait to even square or widescreen, depending. Right now is 1:1, which is what I like most for this. But you can change the content type also from photo to art, and you can increase the visual intensity from here. And you can check other things, you can match other things, you can import an image and then carry out some comparison with this, and you can change the effects. You can play around with the effects and the color tone. You can set in the color tone that you want in the image. Okay, you can check the photo settings and some advanced settings over here. Right, so to start with, you can edit this. This is an already existing one. So for example, we may want to replace this puppy with something like a cat. So all you need is just to come to photo of a cute puppy. We can just replace this and say photo of a cute cat, okay, wearing a white winter hat with a sweater and scarf. So let's go over here and click on generate, and it's going to replace that puppy with a cat. Very, very nice and fantastic. So just give it some seconds. All right, so you can see right now we have this beautiful cat replaced our puppy. You can see the hat, you can see the scarf it is wearing. Very, very nice and very beautiful. So you can just go ahead and see the variations. You can vary it, and you can even add more details if you want. For example, we can say wearing a white winter hat, sweater and a cap with the sunglasses. Okay, sunglasses. Okay, so let's click on generate and let's see whether we're going to get something reasonable. All right, so you get the message. So this is it. You got it very, very nice and fantastic. And this is really beautiful. So if you like it, you can just go ahead, select it. As you hover over it, you can favorite it from here, or you can click on this to download. If you want to download, you can download it. You can copy the image, if you want to copy the link, or you can edit in Adobe Express. I'm going to make complete tutorial also about Adobe Express in the next video. And you can save to your gallery if you want. And over here, you can edit the photo if you want. Just select any of them, and then you can carry out the editings accordingly. Okay, you can use the generative field to edit the same photo, which we are going to look at. You can change so many things and you can regenerate a lot of things. But once you want to download, you can just go ahead and download this. You can see right now it's been downloaded. You can just click and you can see it over here. It's been downloaded. This is our photo. Very, very well created. You can see. So this is wonderful. So let's try to create one image also from scratch, okay, using the text to image. So we can come back here, click on back and click on back one more time. Okay, so we're here. So you can come to over here and just put in your prompt. For example, I can say a cat, or let's say a dog enjoying a cup of coffee in the beach. Okay, so can you give me this? And then we can hit on enter and just give it some seconds and you'll be wonderful. You'll be amazed by the image it's going to bring. Yeah, so you can see, so this is really, really wonderful. So there are different variations. You can check and change the different variations and see which one you want to use for your own video. So you get the message. You can generate anything, be it an image, be it a dog, be it anything. You can change, and you can change it from a photo which is much more realistic to something like an art. If you want to go to an art with just one click, it's going to add it as an art, and once you go ahead and click on generate, it's going to generate the art version, not the photo. But I always like the photo because it is much more realistic. Wow, you can see it's been wonderfully created. So this is how to use the text to image. So let's go back, right? So let's go back one more time. So next thing we can use is generative fill, which is one of the features I like most with the Adobe Firefly. So let's click on generate this and let's see. So you have the option to work with existing images, the images that you can see over here. You can see how they're being changed. You can easily select and you can change the background of anything. You can change the content of any of the pictures. But if you want, you can on your own upload your own photo also to try out something. So let's upload image. Let's say I'm going to upload my own image. Click on upload. So let's say I have the image of this guy enjoying his drink outside. So let's say we upload it. So once I upload this, you have a number of features that you can use. For example, you have this insert button over here. You can insert things, different things, and you have the remove button over here. You can remove anything that you want to remove, and you have the pan. The pan enables you to kind of move around. So let's say I want to insert something. Okay, so you have the option to select, but then I want to reduce the size of my brush. Okay, so let's say the size, I want to reduce it to something smaller because I want to capture something over here. So let's say I want to add a sunglasses to this guy. So I can select on this and then come back over here. And let's say over here, I want to add in some sunglasses. So once you select this, the prompt now comes up. So I just want to have sunglasses to this guy. So let's see whether it's going to give me add some sunglasses to him. Wonderful. So you can see right now it has just added sunglasses, and you have 3 different varieties that you can choose from. I think this one looks better. Yeah, this one looks much better to me. I kind of like this. So I think this is okay. Okay, so we keep this one. So with the one you select, you can keep it. So I think I like this one. So another way you can remove something. So let's say we are going to remove this cup. So let's select it and let's remove this cup from here. Okay, so let's say we are going to remove this. So let's click on remove. And you can see it has just removed it and it has adjusted the desk for us so we can see very clearly. Okay, so we can select from the different variations. You can see all the different variations. I think I like the first one, which is very clear and good. So we can say keep this. So the next thing is you can change the location of this guy also. He took this picture probably in a bush. Okay, so I want him to be in a very nice room. So we can just come over here and select. And let's say we remove the background. I can just click on this and it's going to remove the background for me, and then we can replace it with something. So you can see right now it has done a very fantastic job by removing the background. It has removed the entire background. So I want to replace it with something. Okay, so let's say put him in a well decorated room. All right, so you can see right now we have beam inserted into a room. Okay, so we can see different types of a room. You can see different variations of rooms. Okay, so I think I kind of like this one. Okay, so we'll go with this. Okay, so we'll keep this. So this is the second one, how to use the generative fill. You can change anything, you can add anything also if you want. You can remove any section of it if you like what you see, and you can just go ahead over here also to click on download, and you can just download it for free into your computer. So you can just click and you can see right now it's been downloaded. Okay, so you can see it already downloaded free of charge. You can see it over here. Okay, so you can just go ahead. Let's go back to this, and let's go back one more time so that we can try the last one, which is the text effect. So you can generate this applying styles to your text. You can put in any text and you can select any kind of style that you want, and it's going to give you that particular style. So the thing is, when you hover over any of this, you will be able to see what style is it. So this is pizza, you can see it, and this is rubber balls. Okay, so you can see this is trippy 3D. So you can just type in your text. For example, let's say welcome, and then the kind of effect, describe the text effect. Maybe let's say lion color, lion skin. Okay, so let's say welcome, but then I want it to take in the lion skin. Okay, so let's click on OK to generate, and then you can see my welcome, and these are sample prompts that if you are interested, these are flowers, balloons, and then bread toast and so on. You can change different types, but let's wait and see what it's going to give us as part of the style it's going to add to our text. And you can see very nicely it inserted the lion skin. Okay, you can see this is the lion skin. You can see different variations from this one to probably this one. You can see different variations. So it's all up to you. You can match the shape also from here. You can match the shape from here, or you can change the font and so on. You have other bunch of controls, colors that you can play around with. Okay, so I think this concludes this tutorial on how to use Firefly to test the generative AI power of the Firefly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to keep enjoying videos like this. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.